coin to be added. This is the LeetCode problem. So in this problem we have given a array of the coin, and the number the element in the coin should be represent the value of the coin available and the integer target. Now in this problem the given is that an integer can be obtained if any subsequence of the coins that sum to be x. That means the sum of the any subsequence of that coin, the sum of the any subsequence of the coin should be equal to the x. So x can be obtained and the sum of the any coin of the subsequence of that the coins. So in this problem we have to return the minimum number of the coin in which we have to added the count of the basically minimum count of the coin. So we have to add it in the coins so that we can able to generate the target, the value from 1 to target. That means we can able to generate value 1 and 2 3 4 5 to the target. So here the test case is 1 4 10, and we have to generate the number from 1 to 19. So explanation of this this example is that basically we have given the 1, so we can able to generate value 1. Now we have to generate 2, so the 1 plus 4 is 5. We cannot able to generate 2, so we can add the 2. So now become the now our sum become 3. Now we have to generate the 3, so we can able to generate 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now we have to generate 4, so 4 already is given, so we can also be generate 4. Now we can generate the 5, so we can able to generate 5 using 1 or 4. So in this way we can able to generate and then in this way we can able to generate 7, like 4 to 1, that is 7, and for 8 we cannot able to generate it, so we can add the 8. So now we have to generate 9, so we can able to generate 8 or 8 1 using 8 and 1 we can able to generate 9. So and in this way we can able to generate all the number from 1 to 9. So we have to add 2 coins, that is 2 and 8. So if we add 2 coin to an end, then we can able to generate the all the value from 1 to 19. So approach of this problem is simple, that first we have to generate 1, so we sort the array and then we have to generate 1. So 1 is already given, so we can able to generate 1. Now we have to generate 2, and we count, we basically we store the sum which and now we have to generate 2. So the 2 we cannot able to generate, so we added 2. Now total sum is here, total sum is equal to now become 3, and we can also generate the 3 as well. So we can able to generate 3, and sum is still 3, and we have to generate 4. So 4 we can 4 is already present in that array, so we can able to generate 4. Now we have to generate 5. So using 4 and 1 we can able to generate 5 will be generated using 1 plus 4, and we have to now generate 6. So 6 will be generated 6 3 will be generated already, 3 will be generated, 1 plus 4 is already present, so now 5 will be generated using 1 plus 4, 6 will be generated using 2 plus 4, and 7 7 will be generated. 1 plus 2 plus 4. Now total sum is 1 plus 2. The total sum of that the array is 7. So here we update the 7. Now we have to generate 8. So total sum of that array is only 7, so we cannot able to generate 8. So we have to add the 8 in the array. So we add the 8 in the array. Now total sum become 15, and we can able to generate 8. So 8 already present in the array. So now we have to generate 9. So 9 will be generated using 8. 1 plus 8, and similarly we have to generate 10. So 10 is already present. So we have, and we also generate 2 plus 8, and 10 is already present. So no need to add any element for that. Now we have to generate 11. So 11 will be generated using, so 10 is present in the array. Now 11 we generated 10 plus 1. So we have to generate 11. Now similarly we can able to generate 12 using 2 plus 10. Now we have to generate 13 equal to 3 plus 10, and we can able to generate 15 equal to 4 plus 10. Similarly we can able to generate 15, 16, 17, 19 as well. So we need 2 element to add in the array. So we have to add 2 and 8, so that we can able to generate 1 to 19. So approach is simple. The approach is simple when we have to we store the count and the which number we have to generated. So this is the brief idea how to solve this problem. We check for another test case as well. So we check for this test case. So we sort the array. Then a sorted array should be 1, 4, 5, 7, 10 and 19. So currently sum is equal to initially sum 0, and then now we have to generate 1. So initially, and now we have to generate 1. So 1 already present, so no need to do anything. So sum become now update to 1, and now we have to generate 2. So 2 is not 2 cannot be generated. So here 4 is present, so we cannot able to generate 2. So we have to add the 2 in the array. So we add the 2. So 2 after adding the 2, the count, we store the count as it. Count is equal to 0 to 1, and sum now become 3. Total sum of the array become 3. Now 3 can be generated. 3 can be generated. 1 plus 2. So we have to no need to add any quan in the array. Now the 4 is present in the array. So here 4 is already present. Now sum of the array now become 6, 7, and now 4 is already. Then we have 5 will be, we can able to generate 5 as well. 5 generated. 5 can be generated. 1 plus 4. Similarly 6 will be generated. 5 is also present in the array, and 6 will be generated using 1. 5 here already present 1. So 6 will be generated. Then 1 plus 5. Similarly 7 is already present in the array, so no need to worry about it. Similarly we can able to generate all the number. So approach is simple. We just we keep track the sum and the count, So solution is that solution is that we first we sort the coin, and then we check the current sum of the current sum of the array, and then we have to also count the number of the coin we currently added, and then we here the index we added in the coin, and we basically iterating in the coin, and we check we check the sum plus 1. Initially we have to generate 1, so sum is 0, so 0 plus 1 is lesser than basically item, that means any in the current value of the coin. If not, that means we can able to generate the sum plus 1. Then if the sum plus 1 is lesser than the current value of coin, that means we cannot able to generate the sum plus 1. So we add the sum plus 1 in the array, and then increase the total sum become sum plus 1, and then we increase the count. If the sum plus 1 is greater than or equal to the current it, that means the current value of the coin, then that means we can able to generate the number sum plus 1. So just we add the current value of the coin, and then increase the index, and after the iterating, then if the sum is equal to target, then we break the loop or the index. That means we can add all the coin available in the coins array, and then after the adding all the array, and still we cannot achieve the sum equal to target, and then we have to basically we add the coin. After we have to need to add the coin in the array. So for that we first now we generating the sum plus 1 element, and if sum plus 1 element, and increase the coin while the sum is lesser than target, and at the last we have to return the total number of the coin, and that means total number of the required the coin, so that we can achieve the we can able to generate all the value from 1 to target. Yeah, so for that, for this test sample test case, output 2 1 3, so output 2 1 and 3. After submitting of this problem, yeah, the solution is correct, the solution will be accepted.